What's good with y'all? So we back outside. We're officially back outside all the way. What month is this? June. I think this is the second meet that we're actually going to attend. So I think this is the second meet that I'm going to be attending this year. Like I said, I've been slacking on content, but we got 6 more months to make up for that. Look at this lineup. So I got my boy, he came over with 370. I wish he would have put it in the show though, but you know. Alright, so the meet that we're heading to is a mansion meet. My car is actually going to be in there. My man, he's going to be a spectator like I told him. But one thing about being in this car, like I'm definitely going to put an exhaust or something back in here because it's really groany when I'm driving. So even with the microphone with me mic'd up, I feel like you can still hear the drone in the car, inside the car. So, and yes, I'm not using my microphone right now, but I do have it. So while we're at the meet, I will be using that. But yeah, so I'm hyped about this one because it's going to be in a mansion, like a big ass yard with all these nice cars, and my car's gonna be part of that, so it's like something. So that really, like, I guess means something to me. At the same time, the meet starts at 2 o'clock from 8 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not gonna stay out there the entire time because it's a long time to be out in the sun. It's like 95 degrees or something like that today, and I'm definitely not gonna sit out there that long. But we're not gonna miss anything, so we get to see all kind of nice cars and stuff, and actually got somebody to come out with me for once. You know me, I'm always a loner. Go to these meets, talk to people for a little bit, and keep it moving. I'm always by myself. So that's another thing that I want to change this year. I want to network, and not just network as far as like, okay, promote people and stuff. I actually want to be hands-on working with other people. Like I want people to come over, do car work. So that's another thing that we got going on. I'm not sure if it's going to be in this video, but that's some more stuff that we got coming to the channel too. It's like more teamwork and people working together and me working with people. So yeah, like I'm looking forward to making more content and pushing better content out for y'all. But like always, I'm not going to talk your head off. I'll pick back with y'all when we get there. Pulling up what I think is the correct address, but we about to find out. I would expect to see like more cars because this is the address I had put in, but I don't know what this shit is. Okay, I see something now. Starting to see something. I don't know if I came in the right way or what.
That's 48 minutes in 1 hour, baby. 1 hour late. We're here, straight up.
We were just talking about this one right here. Yeah. Look at this shit, that's crazy, man.
Never seen.
This shit right here is crazy, it's to tell you. These shit just tough.
Hey, yo, I don't think so.
I wonder if this on bags, bro. This would get too low.
Bro. There's no way.
Yeah, looking like talking like Philly. Yeah, we should have the shit over there.
I know. I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Man, don't let me foul out of my
I got so many batteries, bro. I ain't gonna miss out on nothing. And then I didn't miss my phone.
Bro, so I went to a thrift show a long time ago.
Yeah.
Bro, it's the coolest thing ever. But my phone ran battery minute.
Like a word. That's a cool ass bill. So this is what I wanted to get, y'all. I wanted to get a Nova or something like that. The bell. Yeah.
We got all kind of Cabells.
I always love these. Somebody with a photo that I got. I'm gonna tag you and yeah, shit is tough. I just want to rub it real quick. Is that the actual exhaust? Yeah, it's a big exhaust. Yeah, it's like a thing just open from the side. Yo, what's beside you? What just pulled up? That's cold ass rap. Trying to see what series it is. Shit. It's D-bags, man. It might be a little damn, baby, your ass is I can't tell you. He do that, but shit. He told me that at Flapper. Huh? He told me that himself. Yeah, but when I went to the East Coast Honda Fleet on Richmond one time, that dude took and sand with everything under the hood of that Civic. Yeah, it all looked like that research. They were shining, bro. Yeah. Until they put the sign to do it. Different bricks, yeah, beautiful route, bro. I like that color. I'm up down this motherfucker. I'm gonna get at the ball to the sun, though. Let me just show you and then so the crazy thing about it, bro, this is like more of a bougie meet. You gonna see like just nice builds and shit, but when you go to Richmond, it's lots. Just like the Vegas and parking lot, that's a lot. It's like the cars everywhere. Different types. No parking spaces, no nothing. Yeah, that wasn't that drift meet, bro. It was crazy because like a lot of the cars just in the parking lot were like dope. Yeah. Like you never saw them, and now we were walking to go to the cars and leave. Some good pictures. I'm gonna get you and all us together. He's got a 2,000 horsepower one of those. They be like running bikes with. Yeah. He's smoking like built bikes. Yeah, he's got one. Green one? No, it's like he's got a white one and I think he's got a gray one. I think he's selling one of them. But like he's got different apps, like different tunes, bro. And he'll be up against like fast bikes. And you'll see him, he'll go from a roll and he'll just pull by him. I'm like, bro. I don't think I want to talk. Give it up for the Funk Legends, bro. We outside. Fast, you like, man, this is slow. 2,000. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? What up for the Funk Legends, bro? The good thing about it, man, it's not even hot out here. It's really good. That's the great thing. Like, I thought it was gonna be smoking hot, but it's got a nice little breeze. So is that normal spectators over there? Yeah.
Windows blowing the little bitch, nigga, we look at you. Nigga, that ain't what you do. We already look at you fool. We already look at you true. Running off with niggas hurt. That type of shit get you hurt. You gon' end up in the church. You gon' end up on the shirt.
Alright, it's now the next day. I ended up leaving the meet like an hour and a half, 2 hours before it was over. But it did have a two-step competition at the end of the meet. And yeah, we definitely missed out on that. But I was tired. I was struggling the whole ride home. So yeah, that'd be the reason for me leaving. And it was hot. We was out there for at least like 2.5, 3 hours. So yeah, the heat definitely drained me. But here's some video and some film from later on during that day, during the two-step competition and everything that we missed. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and here's what we missed.
You see how far the plane's come?